Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I was able to do this whole hairstyle in 3 hours. We are using some hair from ISEE hair. The hair is 20-inch. This is how the packaging look like. It was very nice, and once you open the curls, it doesn't get frizzy, it doesn't shed, and it's super soft. Easy to just crochet the hair. And on the braid, I pre-sectioned her hair into 4 sections, and then I did the rolls for the parts, braided her hair, add the curly hair at the end, the leftover hair, just to make it fuller. That's what I'm doing right now. The hair is very nice, it doesn't shed, and once you're done, you do not need to use any hair products on it. No mousse, no nothing. The hair is very nice, straight out of the package, and it doesn't shed. This is how the final look like. Super full.